In this video, we're going to learn Chinese pinyin together. We'll give you all the important information about Chinese pinyin, which includes the pinyin structure, initials, finals, and fixed syllables, which is known as syllables read as a whole too. We will read each pinyin alphabet for you, and then we will give you some pronunciation tips. Let's start.
In this lesson, we're going to learn pinyin system in Chinese. In Chinese, pinyin has three parts: initial, final, and tone. Initial we call 声母, final we call 韵母, tone we call 声调. We have 5 tones in Chinese we're going to learn in detail later on. Let's see some examples here. Hello, we say 你好 in Chinese. Look at 你 here. 呢 is initial, 一 is final, and this is the tone mark. It is the third tone. 呵 is initial, 凹 is final, and this is also the third tone mark. In Chinese, we have some fixed syllables, and we call it syllables read as a whole. We still need to add tone after the fixed syllables. For example, month, we say 月 in Chinese. You can see it here. 月 is a fixed syllable, and we add the fourth tone here. Let's look at initial, final, and syllables read as whole in detail. We have 23 initials, 24 finals, and 16 fixed syllables. Let's look at initial first. Okay. 波. When you pronounce 波 here, it sounds like the letter B in the word bat. You close your lips together firmly, and your tongue was relaxed, resting on the bottom. 坡. It sounds like the letter P in the word pat, but it is aspirated, so you can press your lips together and then release with a burst of air, and your tongue is relaxed, resting on the bottom.
So it goes like po, po. You can feel the air comes out.
Mo. It sounds like the letter M in the word man. You close your lips together, and your tongue is relaxed, resting on the bottom.
So it goes like mo, mo.
Bo. It sounds like the letter F in the word fan. You can place the top of your teeth on the lower lip, like this. And then your tongue is relaxed and not involved.
So it goes like fo, fo.